Guys, what's up? It's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another wig. You guys already know, another week, another wig. I am on the road with these wigs, guys. Hopefully you guys are enjoying them. I enjoy looking at wig reviews because I wear wigs, so I really like these type of videos. So anywho, we're going to be doing a curly wig review. Now I'll leave all the specs to this wig down below. I think this is curly. I know it's not deep wave. and it is a lace front wig. The part goes pretty long. I don't know if I'm gonna style it with the part down the middle. Now you guys, the way I have my camera angled, I'm kind of sitting to the side. It just works better for me. I don't like it right in the middle, so sometimes my part look a little off, but that's because the camera is not directly in the middle, because trust and believe, the parts don't be crooked. Not that crooked, but okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue my hair down with today I think I'm gonna use my Erica my Erica J hold me down adhesive. I love her. I love the way she do her wigs. I'm trying to support black owned, honey, so I did order her fluff stuff and also her adhesive, and hopefully I like it. I'm sure I will. I'm just so proud of her doing her thing, girl. Yes, her wigs be everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and play some music for you guys and not talk, because when I talk it takes me longer. When I talk it takes me longer. And I did bleach the knots and I did pluck this wig a little bit. I don't know, maybe I might have to pluck it again when it's on my head, but right now it does look melted. I did cut the lace up a little bit so it won't be in my face and I can actually see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom up. Well, I'm gonna get close to my mirror so I can really get that melted look, and I might do a side part. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a middle part, but this hair is like kind of not short, but I like this length. Okay, so let me get started, guys.
We stayed up till the morning, talking till the first light of dawn, just like fate without no warning. It hit me so hard. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl, I didn't mean to. I done messed it up again. Yeah, I'm sorry if I crossed the line. What am I supposed to do right now? Baby, I'm falling.
Okay, guys, so I think I'm gonna do a side part. I feel like the lace look a little dark, but I'm gonna try to still finesse it a little bit. I was gonna leave this part right here like plain, but you can see the lace some, so I'm gonna have to put a little bit of baby hair in the front. Put a little bit more baby edges out because I hate when lace showing. Oh my gosh, I hate when lace show. But it's gonna be like short baby hairs. Then I'm gonna like wet it down. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm gonna wet it down. Oops. I'm gonna wet it down. Before I wet it, I'm gonna go ahead and mousse my edges into place, and then I'm gonna tie it down really tight, and then I'm going to wet it down while it's drying. So I'm gonna just use the Erica J fluff, what is it called, fluff stuff. I heard this was really good, so that's what I'm using today. And I'm gonna just take a small teeth comb and just push it back. Ooh, kind of went OD. I feel like her mousse is a little thinner as well, just like her I feel like her mousse is a little thin. All right, girl, let me tie this up because I feel like my lace is coming up too. Just let me tie this up and then wet this down, and then I'll be back and let you guys know what's up. So I basically added some conditioner on it, and I added I didn't add any mousse on it because I had added some mousse on it to start with when I styled it on the mannequin head, and I didn't want that hard look. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut this unit into like, I think like a layer look. I kind of want to cut it to like about right here. Like I want that natural curl. I just want like a really pretty shoulder length curly. Whoo, cut some length off. You guys, don't be scared to cut your hair. Don't be scared, because sometimes when you cut it, it gives it a different type of vibe. Don't be scared to let your stylist cut your hair either. Girl, this look like it can be my hair. Should I cut it to about right here? Ooh, now that'll be pretty if it was to be like right. Ooh, cut it some more. Okay, you guys, so here is the next day with me wearing this unit. It is really pretty. So as you guys can see, I did chop the unit up a little bit. This is the unit with a little mousse on it, a little water on it, and it's completely dry. So this is how I decided to style the unit. It is really, really pretty, you guys. Make sure you check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching this hair tutorial. The lace is pretty nice. I didn't do a lot of baby edges, y'all. Yeah, I really, really like the length of this. This is really pretty. I think this is the perfect summer hairstyle. It's very effortless. It's very, you know, I think it's really, really cute, you guys. And I really like the way Erica's mousse do. I like her mousse better than the glue, but I do like the glue, but I think I like the mousse the best because it dries really, really quick. So, yeah. There you go, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check this company out. I'll leave it down below. I'll leave it down below in the description section, and I'll talk to you guys later.